Welcome to the next in our series of Camden Tough videos. This video will present the many features and benefits of our second generation restroom control and emergency call systems. Camden leads the market with a full range of solutions for barrier-free restroom control. The use of automatic door operators in restrooms is increasing dramatically in order to provide better service for people with disabilities. Ontario is the first jurisdiction in North America to mandate barrier-free control and emergency call systems. A universal restroom is defined by code as a restroom that has been designed for ease of use by the general public, as well as one that provides facilities for a person with disabilities. Requirements include a wide range of components, including ample turning radius for a wheelchair, counters at accessible height, and grab bars. In this video, we'll be talking about both barrier-free control of automatic door operators as well as emergency call systems, which are actually two very separate systems. Let's begin by taking a closer look at the barrier-free restroom control system. The basic components of a control system are a door control relay, a push plate switch to activate the door operator, an electric strike, and a push-to-lock button. Camden's restroom control systems use our advanced CX-33 advanced logic controller for most applications, but we also offer a controller with more inputs and outputs for more complex systems. The next component is a Camden push plate switch to activate the door operator. We put one switch on the outside of the restroom and one inside. Camden offers a wide range of kits for single door restrooms with the option for a single gang annunciator or an Aura illuminated push plate switch, and even a solution for single occupancy washrooms with two doors. Next, Grade 2 ANSI electric strike with 3 faceplates and horizontal faceplate adjustment is used to secure the restroom door. Now that we've selected a strike, we need to activate the strike with a basic push-to-lock button, our CM450R/8. This push button has an 18-gauge stainless steel faceplate and is a momentary push button with a large palm. It's easily activated. As you can see, the wording is laser etched onto the faceplate, so it never wears off. We have an electric strike to secure the door, locked or unlocked. So now we need a magnetic door contact to know the door status, whether it's opened or closed. Keep in mind that the electric strike won't be locked until the door is in a closed position. We've reviewed the components of a barrier-free restroom control system as currently defined by code. But a very important device is missing. Do you know what it is? If a building occupant goes up to the restroom while it's occupied and presses the push to open push plate switch outside the restroom, he or she really won't know if the system is not working or if the restroom was occupied if the door doesn't open. So we need a visual notification, or in other words, an occupied when lit indicator. To do this, we need a CM-AF500 LED annunciator. This single gang flush mount annunciator is designed to provide critical messages to building occupants with super bright illumination and whiteout text. Based on feedback from our customers, we figured out a better way of designing a restroom control system to combine both activation and annunciation together in one product. Our line of Aura illuminated push plate switch enclosures illuminates green when the restroom is vacant and red when it is occupied. Camden is the only manufacturer currently offering a barrier-free system with illuminated push plate switch enclosures. In addition to offering unique products specifically designed for restroom control applications, Camden products also have important features that you won't find anywhere else. For example, Camden's restroom control systems are designed so that the electric strike is always unlocked when a restroom occupant leaves the restroom by either pressing the push to open push plate switch or the mechanical door lock set, or if the press for assistance emergency call system push button is activated. Competitive systems needlessly use a bypass switch to unlock the restroom door and reset the system. Camden offers a complete range of restroom control system kits for any installation, including control of restrooms with 2 entry doors. I'm really excited to show you a new solution for restroom control. Our new CM2520/48 combo switch offers a new level of user convenience and it means less devices inside the restroom. Simply walk up to the switch, press the lock button, the aura illumination turns red inside and outside the restroom. Then, when you're ready to leave, press the push to open, the aura illumination turns to green open state. Now let's talk about the role and components of an emergency call system. It's important to note that the latest requirements of the Ontario Building Code mandate the installation of emergency call systems in both barrier-free and universal restrooms. These new code requirements should be viewed as a model for emerging code requirements across North America. Camden launched their second generation of emergency call system with the introduction of the CM450R/12. This is a press for assistance mushroom push button with assistance requested LED annunciator and sounder, all mounted in a double gang device. This goes inside the restroom. A unique feature of the double gang push button and annunciator is that it has an adjustable sound level. You don't want a fire alarm signal device inside the washroom, which can be very dangerous if the person inside has a medical issue. Camden has provided sound level adjustment on all our signal devices to allow installers to match the sound level that they need inside the restroom during installation. The signal device inside the washroom is simply put there to confirm that the person inside has activated the emergency call button. As an action confirmation device, it only needs to be loud enough for the person who pushed the button to know that they've done so successfully. For the signal device outside the restroom, we've introduced the CM-AF141SO, a beautifully designed assistance requested LED dome light with a 95 dB sounder. Emergency call systems are extremely simple, and the alarm will stay on until the button is pulled. Camden also gives you additional options for using momentary press for assistance devices, such as ribbon switches. But of course, when you use a momentary switch, resetting the system can't be done by pulling out the mushroom button. You'll need a reset device, so we offer latching relay kits with either a push button or a key switch. Our WC12 offers a push button reset switch, and our WC13 system offers a key switch reset. The last important design consideration is the interconnection of the barrier-free system with the emergency call system. Camden has designed our CX-33 Advanced Logic Controller specifically for restroom applications to do just that. The CX-33 controller is the only controller on the market that will drive the LED illumination, has inputs for door open and door lock status, and interconnects with the electric strike. In other words, one controller incorporates all the activation, control, and locking that you will need in your restroom. Beyond products, Camden is here to help you leverage the growing market and demand for barrier-free and emergency call systems. We've created detailed design guides, 3-part project specs, CAD drawings, and we're also here to help you with quotations and any design questions you may have. Camden stands ready to help and support you to build your business. For more information, please visit our website at camdencontrols.com.